Hey guys, it is summertime and it is hot, and I can't think of any place I'd rather be than on the beach drinking a Pina Colada. This is a remake of our drink, and the great thing is, if you don't want alcohol in it, you can simply make it virgin. So let me show you how to do this, and let's get started. I'm going to get started here by adding some rum to a blender. I'm using Bacardi's here, but you can use any kind of rum you want. So I'm going to throw in 4 ounces here, and keep in mind we're making 2 drinks. A couple of tablespoons of coconut cream, 4 ounces of pineapple juice, followed by 2 tablespoons of sugar, about 12 to 14 chunks of pineapple, and you can use fresh pineapple or the stuff you buy in the can. And last but not least, 2 cups of crushed ice. So what you want to do is blend this over medium-high speed for about a minute or 2 until it's nice and creamy and frothy. While this is blending up, click that subscribe button because you don't want to miss a video. Now our Pina Colada is foamy and frothy. I'm going to pour this into a frosted glass with some more crushed ice. Garnish it up with a nice chunk of pineapple with a little umbrella on the top. You can be as creative as you want with this. And you're ready to party. And there you have it guys, our Pina Colada. So refreshing, and I don't know about you, but I'm ready to go to the beach. Head on over to cookandshare.com for this cocktail and many more great cocktails. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and like our videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.